here is a room tour of 14741 Icon of the Seas. This is a spacious interior, all the way up on deck 14. So let's check it out. It's a spacious interior. How much more spacious is this than a regular interior?
This is 178 square feet and the normal one is 156.
Yes, okay. It does look very spacious for an interior.
This is a double configuration, but we do have triples and quads. They just have these separate beds
Okay,
in this area.
that's good to know. And then your standard closet is the same as pretty much all the other regular balconies. Don't forget the safe. You have to, it's hidden secret. So that is your interior, spacious interior on Icon of the Seas. Oh wait, we gotta show the bathroom. Same bathroom as all the others that are in regular cabins. I think that's it. All right, thanks.